Hi there. So you or might be having issue to a specific version of any plugin. It could be Ninja from, it could be Gravity Forms, it could be any from or any other plugin. So how you can downgrade to the latest version of the plugin. This video will help you to downgrade the plugin which is available on WordPress repository. But if you're using a paid plugin, you will have to manually download the previous version of that plugin from the author website. So let's start how we can downgrade the free version of any plugin. So at first, we are having issue with Ninja Forms. It's an example. So we would like to downgrade to just the previous version. So we will have to download a plugin. This will help us to roll back. So search for rollback. And you will find multiple plugins, but we are not going with all of them. Just the first one, which is made by the WP Rollback. After you will install and activate, you will find the rollback option right beside the plugin. So here is the rollback option. We are going to roll back. And now you will find the complete list of the plugin. So let's roll back to just the previous version. Click to roll back again, and it will download the previous version from the WordPress repository and replace the latest version on our website. So if you check the URL, it's downloaded from wordpress.org. So if you go back to the plugins page again, you will find the update notification, but just ignore this if you are having issue with the latest version. So you can have using this one. Now you can just deactivate this plugin and delete from your website. If you need it again, you can just install, active, and do the same thing with any plugin you are having issue. I hope that helps. Give it a try and let me know how that goes. If you are having any issue, just leave a comment below. Thank you so much.